Gala Service, Firstborn Deliverance Service, first son, first daughter, only son, only daughter. It's your time to be delivered from all forms of satanic bondages and difficulties. It is time to be free and receive all your favorite blessings and miracles with God's General Bishop Dr. MACDAVID C. General Overseer, Mega Grace Assembly, aka Arena of Grace Bible Church. Date Sunday 28 August 2022. Time 9 a.m. Nigerian time. Venue at the Church Auditorium, Mega Grace Assembly, Good Wave Plaza, number 7 Idimu Road, Ilewe Bus Stop, Orilowo, Ejigbo, Lagos State, Nigeria. For inquiry, please call 090-969-90000. Remember, no church without you.